Welcome everyone, and thank you for attending this year's AGM. I'm Donna Lomer, Vice Chair of the Municipal Pension Board of Trustees. 2022 challenged all of us in many ways. We faced lingering effects of the multi-year pandemic and experienced the highest inflation seen in 4 decades. We watched major environmental and geopolitical events unfold at home and around the world. Amid the uncertainty of the day-to-day world, your Board of Trustees had a clear set of goals. As a board, we work together to build and carry out long-term strategy for success. We draw on our areas of expertise and experience, engage experts, and set goals for one shared purpose: to ensure the plan is well managed and sustainable for the long term. I'm happy to share the results of these efforts with our financial highlights from 2022. Our role as the Board of Trustees is to make investment decisions in the best financial interests of the plan beneficiaries, which includes all of you members who are watching. We also ensure employers can offer an ongoing valuable benefit to employees. The Municipal Pension Plan remains well-funded despite continuing uncertainty in the world markets. As at December 31st, 2022, the plan's assets were $71.5 billion. That's down from $74.2 billion at the end of 2021. The annual rate of return was negative 3.5%, which outperformed the benchmark of negative 5.9%. Like most other Canadian public sector pension plans, we saw investment losses in 2022. We take a long-term view when developing the plan's investment strategies, and we are well positioned to withstand short-term losses like those we had in the last year. Our careful approach lets us govern with a steady hand and avoid overreacting to short-term trends in the investment market. The plan's 5-year return rate of 6.7% and a 10-year return rate of 8.5% show that focusing on the long term works. You'll see that contributions that came into the plan were less than the benefits we paid out. While this is significant, the plan's durability reduces the impact. In 2022, the plan collected $2.6 billion in member and employer contributions. Approximately $2.9 billion was paid out in pensions, benefits, and expenses. The rate stabilization account, created in 2015 to protect us against future contribution rate increases, was valued at $4.1 billion at the end of 2022. Managing risk is part of the fiduciary duty held by the board and BCI. This includes assessing risk and limiting exposure, as well as identifying and capitalizing on opportunities. Diversification of investments is key to managing risk, and we regularly review our asset allocation. The Municipal Pension Plan is in a solid financial position and will be there for you whether you're 2 or 20 years away from retirement. Our long-term view has charted a path of success and sustainability. As we look to the future, we're committed to continuing our focus on responsible investment strategies. That's why we've set a goal to reach net zero emissions in the plan's investment portfolio by 2050. Despite the uncertainty of our times, the Municipal Pension Plan continues to deliver on its goal of providing secure pensions to all members. Thank you.